Best Luxury Large Cars for 2024 Genesis G90. In the realm of luxury large cars for 2024, the 2024 Genesis G90 emerges as a trailblazer, captivating drivers with its distinctive design, cutting-edge technology, and an opulent driving experience. Genesis, renowned for redefining luxury in the automotive world, proudly presents the G90 as the epitome of excellence in the luxury large car category. 2024 Genesis G90, a symphony of elegance and innovation. The 2024 Genesis G90 makes an indelible mark with its exterior design, seamlessly blending bold aesthetics and refined details to create an atmosphere of modern luxury. The G90's distinctive crest grille, sleek lines, and meticulous attention to detail contribute to its commanding and distinguished presence on the road. Genesis's commitment to perfection extends to the interior, where opulent materials, cutting-edge technology, and a spacious cabin create an environment that reflects the G90's dedication to unmatched opulence. Under the hood, the G90 delivers a performance that aligns with its luxury status. With potent engine options, smooth handling, and a serene ride, the G90 ensures a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. This makes it an ideal choice for those who demand a luxury large car that seamlessly combines opulence with dynamic performance. Genesis's commitment to delivering an unparalleled driving experience is evident in every facet of the G90, solidifying its status as a leader in the luxury large car segment. Top luxury large cars of 2024, G90 sets a new benchmark. While the 2024 Genesis G90 rightfully claims its position as the best luxury large car for 2024, it competes with other prestigious models vying for attention. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class, BMW 7 Series, and Audi A8 are among the contenders, each offering their unique blend of luxury and performance. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class, celebrated for its timeless elegance and cutting-edge technology, remains a formidable competitor in the luxury large car segment. The BMW 7 Series, known for its dynamic driving experience and opulent features, adds an element of excitement to the competition. The Audi A8, with its sophisticated design and advanced safety features, contributes to the diversity of choices in this exclusive and competitive category. Consumer preferences and the pursuit of unmatched luxury. In an era where luxury car buyers seek an experience that transcends ordinary transportation, the 2024 Genesis G90 aligns seamlessly with evolving preferences. The allure of a luxury large car that effortlessly integrates sumptuousness with state-of-the-art technology caters to drivers who desire a sophisticated and exhilarating journey. As consumers increasingly demand cars that offer an unparalleled blend of style, features, and innovation, the G90 emerges as a frontrunner. Genesis's commitment to crafting vehicles that redefine luxury ensures that the G90 remains the epitome of opulence for those who seek a luxury large car that defines the essence of contemporary driving excellence. In conclusion, the luxury large car segment for 2024 promises an infusion of opulence and performance, and the 2024 Genesis G90 leads the way. As Genesis continues to redefine the standards of luxury, the G90 stands as a symbol of how elegance, innovation, and performance can seamlessly coalesce, offering drivers a sophisticated yet dynamic driving experience that sets the standard for luxury large cars.